got Brett's 8N tractor here. We call it Mater, or I do anyways. Just gonna grade the driveway. I gotta move some stuff still, but we got this back blade. It's not in the best of shape, but we'll see what it does. We got this. We bought a brush hog, and this came with it for like 400 bucks. So King Cutter, like Tractor Supply brand. First time I've used it. We'll see what happens. So I got the driveway decently graded. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And I went and I got limestone from the quarry. It's way cheaper than buying it from the middleman. This is 304, also known as 2A. So it's 1.5 inch pieces down to dust. It packs really good in driveways. It gets real hard. So I'm gonna tailgate it. I'm gonna dump a little extra out right here and get it spread out at the beginning of the driveway. But for tailgating it, you just set your chain length. I can't remember what chain length I go with. I think it's like 8 or 9 links on both sides. Release this dump for tailgating, and then put it in the air. And once you go up in the air, you once it starts dumping out, I put it in 4-wheel drive, 4 low, and lock in the hubs, or at least 4 high. And once it starts dumping, you just drive slow, and it tailgates real nice. You don't have to spread very much. So that's what's about to happen. So it didn't tailgate out that nice because it's wet, and I had to open the gate up more. So it's kind of thick right here. I'll have to spread it out with the tractor. Probably take a couple more loads to do everything, but I mean, it's somewhat spread out, but it's pretty heavy right here. If it's dry and you have it set up right on the tailgate, it spreads pretty nice, but this didn't turn out so good. I've had it, I mean, I haven't tailgated anything in a few years, but I used to be pretty decent at it. So it's not perfect right now. I'm gonna have to get at least another trailer load to do this portion back here, if not 2, but it looks a lot better than it did. I'm gonna take a rake and do the spots next to the house and take out the edges, but it'll be fine. And if I need to put more down, put more down, but it didn't tailgate that nice being wet. It didn't want to, it was sticking in the back, and I had to open it up too far, so it came out too heavy. Alright, thanks for watching.